At W Machinery, production never stops. Our factory is running at full capacity, orders are packed, equipment is ready, and shipments are going out worldwide. From poultry processing lines to complete chicken slaughter solutions, we deliver high-efficiency systems customized up to 12,000 birds per hour. Every machine is built for performance stunning. Scalding, plucking, chilling, grading, and cleaning, ensuring hygiene, reliability, and long-term operation. Our factory is running at full capacity, orders are packed, equipment is ready, and shipments are going out worldwide. With projects in over 40 countries, we support poultry farms, slaughterhouses, and food processing plants across Southeast Asia, Central Asia, Latin America, and Africa, etc. Whether you are expanding or building a new plant, W Machinery is ready to support you with complete, cost-effective solutions. W Machinery, your partner in food processing and slaughter solutions. Contact us today to power your next project.